Hello, my friends. Thank you for stopping by the channel here. My name is Cory, and I am a digital marketer, basically. And I am putting this video out there because I'm successful at digital marketing, right? I wasn't always successful at it, but I am now. I've made a six-figure income in 2024 at just doing this. I wanted to put a video out there because obviously I don't have a huge following online. Do you need to have a huge following online? You need to have thousands and thousands of subscribers to be successful at digital marketing. Well, it all depends on what your version of success is. All right. My version of success is not living paycheck to paycheck, having money in the bank, not trading my time for money for somebody else, right? I don't want to clock in and work for somebody else every day for the rest of my life. So that's my version of success. And that's why I feel like I'm successful. I don't have to work a job. I have a full-time income just making money online. So how can I be successful if I don't have thousands of followers or thousands of subscribers? Before I get into this, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell, and all of that good stuff. Now listen, diversity is key. Diversity is key, right? The four main social media platforms, right? You got TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Those are the four main big, social media platforms. Now, if you go out there and you create an account on TikTok, and then you create another account on TikTok, and then you create another account on TikTok, and you make a video, right? And then you post it to all three accounts, it's not going to stay up. It's only going to stay up in the first account that you posted it to. The other accounts is going to flag and it's not going to do it. Now you can go to your other accounts and repost that video, so it goes out to your followers and out online for that, depending on what channel you post it to or which account you want to post it to. So what you can do though is you can make a video like this. If you want to make money online, I can show you exactly how to do that. All you have to do is go here. And when you do, I'm going to give you free capture pages, free sales funnels, free email marketing. You'll get live trainings 5 times a week. Everything that you need to make money online in one system. Go there to check it out. Okay. That is one short form video that I post to one TikTok account. Okay. Then I go to my other 5 TikTok accounts that I have, and I repost that video, and I like that video, and I favorite that video, right? Now, the main thing here is you do not want to go to your TikTok account and hit add account, okay? You want to log out, create a different email address, log in as a completely different person, right? So it registers you as a completely different person. So you can interact with your own videos to get that engagement up, if you will, right? So when you do that, you are not only putting that video out one time, you're putting that video out 5 times, right? If you have 5 different accounts that you log into, you're putting that video out 5 different times. If you're just reposting it, now you can take that same idea, that same concept, and just slightly make it a little bit different. Change up the keywords that you use, change up the description, the title, just slightly, and then you can put it out there and repost it. So when I make short little videos like that, they're actually getting shared just on TikTok through 5 different accounts in 5 different ways. So that one video may be only having 100 to 200 views or 300 views, but it's going to have that on each one of those accounts. So that one video that I'm sharing out through 5 different accounts is going to have 1,500 views through all those accounts. Okay. But it's all leading them to the same place right there. That's what you need to do. Now, if you do that not only on TikTok, but you do the same thing on Instagram, you do the same thing on Facebook, you do the same thing on YouTube, you do the same thing on Rednote, you do the same thing on Threads, you do the same thing on Clapper, you do the same thing on Lemonade. See where I'm going with this? Currently, I have 43 different social media accounts, okay, through all the different platforms that I use. I use 8 different ones, but I have like five accounts on most of them. So what you do is you've got to blast that link out there when you're just starting out. Now, look at this. If you're trying to compete with people that have, say, 20,000 subscribers or 20,000 followers, what I want you to do is go to those accounts and look at the video views. They may have some videos that, blow up just like, anybody can, but they have thousands and thousands of followers, but they have 200 views, 300 views. These people are also going out there and diversifying themselves among the social media platforms. So I could go out there and get subscribers today. I could go out there and buy 10,000 subscribers, right? They advise against that, but you can do it, and you shouldn't do it. It doesn't help you. It really doesn't. You can go out there and you can get successful at digital marketing without a following, without those thousands of subscribers, without those thousands of followers. Think about how everybody got successful. How did those people get to those thousands and thousands of followers? They got started. They started at zero, right? They started at nothing. They started their new accounts at nothing. But the difference between you and them is they started. They are already there because they got started. You have to get started if you want to get there. I finally made it to where this is all I have to do. And I don't have 30, 40, 50,000 subscribers. I don't have, 10,000 Instagram subscribers. I don't have 20,000 YouTube subscribers. I don't have 30,000 TikTok followers. And to be honest, you don't need that to be successful at digital marketing. You really don't. The only thing you need to do is follow the system that we have for you, the system that I will give you, where, just like I said in those short form videos, I will give you free capture pages, free sales funnels, free email sequencing. I'll train all your members. They're going to get the exact same thing that you get when you do this. Go here, go there, go there, go to grabthislink.com. That's all you got to do to get started. Or I'm going to link a playlist right here that shows you absolutely every single step with the system that I do. No matter what anybody tells you, it's not going to happen overnight. So you have to get started, you have to get going, but you want to make sure that you do it with a system that's all set up for you to be successful. Don't go out there and buy a course that's written by ChatGPT. My Econ, the company that I market for, they want their name out there. They want us to be successful. So they give us everything we need to be successful. And it's happening for a lot of people. Hundreds of people on my team, thousands of people on my super team. Everybody is making money with this system. And it's not too late. You can get in on this. You can. But what I want you to do whenever you are ready, go to this playlist, watch this playlist, hit that subscribe button for me. Doesn't hurt to have subscribers. So hit that button for me. Hit that like button, hit that bell, and go to grabthislink.com to get started. If you have any questions, there's my phone number, there's my email. Check it out, and I'll see you out there.